Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to increase video quality on Prime Video. Improving video quality on Prime Video involves a combination of factors, from your internet connection to the settings within the app and your devices. Here's a breakdown of it. The first thing you need to do is to check your internet connection. You see, the bandwidth. HD, that's high definition, and 4K streaming requires a stable and fast internet connection. If your bandwidth is insufficient, Prime Video may automatically reduce the video quality to prevent buffering. So consider testing your internet speed to ensure it meets recommended requirements for high quality streaming. Next, check your connection stability. A wired Ethernet connection is generally more stable than Wi-Fi. If possible, connect your streaming device directly to your router. If using Wi-Fi, ensure your router is positioned for optimal signal strength and minimize interference from other devices. This next step you can take is to adjust Prime Video settings. Adjust the streaming quality. Prime Video offers various streaming quality options such as best, better, and good, so select best for the highest quality. Now, the location of the settings can vary depending on the device. If you're using a mobile device, in the Prime Video app, go to My Stuff, then the Get icon, then tap on Stream and Download, and then tap on Streaming Quality. And you can now choose the highest quality. If you're using a web browser, when playing a video, look for the settings of the Get icon, click on it, and you see the options for quality, then choose the highest. Now, some devices automatically adjust the video quality based on network conditions. Therefore, on some smart TVs, there is not a way to manually adjust the video quality. You can also optimize device settings. You see, like display resolution. Ensure your TV or monitor resolution is set to the highest possible setting. If your device supports 4K, make sure it's enabled. Keep your Prime Video app and your streaming device's operating system up to date. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Also use high quality HDMI cables to ensure optimal signal transmission. Not all Prime Video content is available in 4K, so please check the video's details to see its supported resolution. And some older content will not have the same level of quality as newer content. By following these tips, you can maximize your Prime Video viewing experience and enjoy the best possible video